Hello, you had a question about one of your problems in Math Excel. This is the problem that you needed help with. To do this problem, you need to break it down. Um, you cannot take the square root of these numbers outright and get a whole number, but what you can do is you can break it down into numbers that are perfect squares. So for example, the square root of 18 can be broken down into 9 and 2. 9 times 2 is 18. And you can take the square root of 9 outright, which would give you 3. You can do the same thing with this 40. You can break it down into 4 and um, 10. Okay, so the square root of 9 is 3. We cannot do anything with the square root of 2. I'm going to put little multiplication signs in here. The square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of 10 we're going to leave as is. So we can multiply everything that's on the outside of the parentheses, and not parentheses, the radicals, and then we can multiply everything underneath the radical. So 3 times 2 is 6. I'll multiply these. And then square root of 2 times the square root of 10 is the square root of 20. Now the square root of 20 can be broken down into numbers that are perfect squares. You can break it down into 4 and 5. The square root of 4 is 2. So now you can multiply everything outside the radical. We get 12 square root of 5. This is your final answer. I hope that helps.